Hey, what's up guys, Taylor here, and just gonna turn my volume down a little bit here. I am playing some Cat Mario. I'm hopefully gonna play a whole let's play of this. It's basically a really huge troll, as you can fucking see there. Shit. Let me just adjust the camera a little bit. Fucking cut. Okay, I'll leave it like that. That's gonna be a bit of a piss off. Actually, if I have it like that. Yeah, sorry about that. It's just my fucking... For some reason the screen expanded a little bit. So it's cutting off like a centimeter of the screen at the right. But it's all good. So I just beat this game earlier today. And I figured I'll do a let's play on... Oh, fuck. I'm gonna do a let's play on it. So, or not necessarily a let's play. It's only gonna be like 3 parts, seeing as it's pretty short game, 5 levels. But it is hard as fuck, and I might start an unfair Mario series, which is an even more troll game. Oh fuck, I broke that checkpoint. I hope that doesn't actually like break it, that would be a piss off. So I might actually win this game right here, or this level. On my 3rd try or whatever. Boing. Okay. Over! Yes! Okay, I beat that level. Finished it, motherfuckers. Yay! Next level. Forgot about that. This game's a lot about memorizing all the levels, I guess, kinda. Yeah. It involves a lot of memorization, because there's a lot of stuff that doesn't kill you in other games that will kill you in this game. And if I just went off the screen there, sorry about that. But yeah, there's a lot of things in this game that kill you, like that drop, that won't kill you in like regular Mario or whatever. Okay, but yeah. So like, see how I got stuck there with those brown blocks? So it's a bit of a piss off, but I actually enjoy playing it. A lot of people don't, but I don't mind it. Oh fuck. Once you memorize all the levels, it's not too hard. Boing, boing, boing. Okay. Oh yeah. Jump back. Now there's another one here. Jump back again. Now I'm safe. Checkpoint. Boing. Now this part can be a piss off sometimes, because if you don't get it exactly right, or if you don't get lucky, sorry. It's all luck when this guy, watch when this guy gets this mushroom, he does that, and that's gonna work out fine, but sometimes you won't get one that allows you to jump over it. Gotta jump over that. Boing. If you touch that green thing, by the way, if you touch that green thing, it starts to spawn those balls at like a rapid pace, and it's impossible to get over it once you get that thing. So now, go up here. And now that is like a laser beam, so you have to jump over it and then quickly jump on this. Because see, that thing swipes back and forth and it will kill you if you touch it. I won. I'm on the 3rd level now. Okay. This level is where it gets a bit tricky. Get a block there. Boing. Boing. Oh fuck, I forgot about that. Okay. Completely forgot. Okay, so I need to activate that. And I need to run, jump. Fuck. Oh, I made it. Nice. Like that. Grab this checkpoint. Oh fuck, I forgot about that too. Jesus, this game is fucking annoying, but like, it's fun, but if if you forget parts, then it gets really fucking annoying. Boing. Fuck, I forgot about that guy. Motherfucker. I keep mixing up the levels because I thought that was gonna fall out from under my feet, but really it doesn't. So I'll jump over this. Parkour. And then I'll go over this guy. Fuck, I forgot about that one too. So the trick with that one is that thing will fall, and then you have to jump back to the one before. Fuck. Rage quit. But, what's it called? So that thing, I'll show you in a second, actually. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that guy's a bit of an asshole. I just like jumping in this game, like awesome. Jump over this guy, jump up here, jump, and now that thing's gonna go by, and this guy jumps at the same time as you, so you can't get over him. So basically the thing you have to do is let him drop, there you go, and jump up here, that's the one that falls. Oh fuck, I fucked that up. Oh my god, this is such a hard level. Okay, so, oh fuck. Well, I'm dead. As you can see, those things kill you, but I had to kill myself, because if you break that block, then you die. Or, well, you don't die, but it's impossible to beat the level. Oh, oh fuck, I forgot about that. Cock sucker. This game is hard as fuck. Cunt ass nigga. Okay. Hop on that. And hop over this. Don't jump there. And then I forget how to kill this robot guy. Oh fuck, I have to jump over the flagpole, I think. Yeah, gotta jump over that flagpole. And wait, how do I kill the robot? Or maybe I think it might be that only sometimes he appears, and then you basically just have to. Oh fuck. And a solid negative 18 lives. Fuck. That's annoying. That part is such a piss off. It's just unreal. Fuck. Oh, fuck me. God, this is annoying. Oh, fuck me. Oh. Well, that's lucky. Except for the fact that I can't. Oh. Well, fuck me in the ass. Shit, I'm dead again. How do you kill that guy? I really don't know how you kill that guy. Oh, that's how you do it. Shit, I see what to do now. So I've got to knock that thing. I've got to knock this bastard. I've got to get that guy that just killed me because he's a cocksucker. I got to get him to kill the robot. which is going to be a bit of a challenge, to say the least. But, oh well. Oh my god, okay. I got this. So I need to push him. Okay, I know how to do this now. Jump to this side. Fuck. Okay, I can't jump to that side. But what I do need to do is I need to push it. Fuck me in the ass. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to push it backwards so it hits the block on the left first, then goes on to kill the robot guy. Fuck. Oh, wait. That's what I need to do, actually. I need to get it to hit the one on the right first, and then... got this. Okay, so push it. Shit. Okay. Now I got this. I just need to take my time on this part, and I'll beat this level. That much challenge. Okay. Fuck. Okay, so I need to hit it to the right. Ah, for fuck's sakes. Negative 45 lives. Oh yeah. Fuck. My god. Sweet Jesus, it's a fire. Okay. Yes. What the fuck? God Christ almighty. Okay. Got this in the bag. Don't have it in the bag. Oh, fuck me, yes. Oh, I think I know what I have to do. So if he doesn't break both of those blocks, then those things will go too low. Fuck. This part is annoying. I've probably died 50 times with my negative 51 deaths. Purely on getting owned by this shit. Motherfucking cunt. Oh, fuck. Oh no. The hell? Oh my god. I might actually rage quit this game, even though I just fucking beat it and I should be able to beat this level.